Welcome to today's video. I am no longer in Thailand in Khao Lak. I am now back in my hometown of Manchester. I'm at the Theatre of Dreams, as you can see just behind me, or as some would say, the Theatre of Nightmares over the last season. We did win the FA Cup, so at least we got some silverware, better than Tottenham. But just making this video. I'm just about to meet a client in hotel football and I've got 10 minutes to spare. So just to give you a quick catch up, I've had quite a number of people now asking me to do walking reviews around hotels in Khao Lak. Obviously, I can't do those at the moment. I'm not actually there, so I'm more than happy to do them. I am back again in January and February. I'll be getting some scuba diving done when the season opens in Khao Lak. I'll be diving on a liveaboard, so probably spending around about, I don't know, maybe a fortnight around that area. So if anyone does want me to do a walking tour of a hotel they're thinking of staying at that I haven't already covered in the previous videos, I'm more than happy to do that for you if I'm passing around and in the area at the time. So please do leave a comment. I'd like to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed to my ramblings as I've been walking around the hotels in Khao Lak. The whole idea was just to give me something to do while I was in the area. I'm quite nosy, so I do like to pop into other hotels and have a look what they've got to offer. I will be obviously looking to stay at places myself, so I'm doing it for myself more than anything. But these little ramblings have helped quite a number of people. I've had quite some interesting feedback saying thanks for doing the tours. So it's something I will continue on my next travels. So January, February next year, I will be heading off to Indonesia, flying to Bali, and then coming back into Thailand, and then perhaps dropping into Malaysia. I will be doing these little walk around tours. I am a professional wedding photographer, and this is what I'm here to do today. I'm here to meet a client and discuss their wedding for next year. So in between work, I will be doing my little travels. I have got a wedding booked in Greece later on this year, so I will be doing a couple of little walking through videos there, and possibly popping into Hurghada in Egypt for maybe a short visit for a week. So I might do a couple of hotel reviews there as well. So I do appreciate the likes. I do appreciate the subscribes. It is helping my little channel grow. I do intend to do more of these videos, so watch out for more content like this, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.